My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. Hey, man, as y'all can see already, we got something new, you know what I'm saying, in the whip, man. I can't wait for a nighttime POV drive to show y'all boys. I was gonna start off, you know what I'm saying, outside the whip and get, you know what I'm saying, back inside the whip, but unfortunately, we're starting off like this. But hey, man, let me know how y'all rocking with it, though. You know what I'm saying? This is, you know what I'm saying? It look good, man. I got the brightness all the way up. I don't have it this bright when I'm normally driving or have it on, because it is kind of bright, but I'm only doing it for video purposes, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying, you can turn it down. I'm going to show y'all the different little modes and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But, without all that, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to your boy. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 15K, man. Currently on the road to 11K, but we on the road to 15K, man. Next milestone, you feel me? It's crazy to even say that, Cari crew. Like, your boy on the road to 15K, man. You know what I'm saying? Clap it up for your boy, man. But yeah, man. We just on some cool, calm, collective, you feel me, type vibes tonight, man. I may give y'all a little noise making, but I'm just chilling right now, man, cruising. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to show y'all boys this light, man. This light is crazy. You know what I'm saying? But this one, buddy speeding for no reason. Nah, get on your ass. It's a Ford F-152. Look, I'm recording, bitch. Lame, man. But no, we only a minute in, folks already trim. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? We just want to show y'all, boy. I had to show y'all, boy, this magnificentness, man. I've been waiting to get this deal. I've been waiting to get this deal for a minute, man. I had to show y'all, boy, what it looked like. Finally got something to look at, you know what I'm saying, on the POVs at night, you feel me? But right now, man, we just, you know what I'm saying, like I said, nice little crew, man, food run. You know what I'm saying, finna get something to eat, you know what I'm saying? But while I'm at it, why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not just show y'all, boy, there? But let me, hold on, let me change the color right quick. I can't see. Let me change the color right quick, man. Show y'all boys all the little modes. They got a lot of mode, but I ain't gonna go too crazy. But you know, we got the blue. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know which one y'all favorite. You got the blue, you feel me? You got the slight red. Y'all know the red gonna always just look normal because the rest of the car got red in it, you know what I'm saying? What's the other color? Purple again. Red. Purple again, damn. Oh, white. Yeah, and I got this one for some reason, bro. With this one specifically, I got two of them. I ain't used the other one yet because I only need it, you know what I'm saying, for this part. But I put it on white, you feel me? Purple and white, it don't be wanting to do it on this one. This one don't be want to turn white. It just, yeah, like turn white and go purple. But the other one stay white. So I might have to change that because I rock with that white. That white tough. Blue. It's another green. It's another type of, dang, bro, that jump hard. Hold on. Trying to show y'all for, man. Trying to show y'all boys something. But there was another color, like even yellow. See, look, the yellow be acting dumb. I don't know why. I like the yellow, bro. I rock with the yellow a lot. My bad, y'all. I'm holding this armrest up and trying to do this at the same time. I don't know why I'm trying to hold that armrest up like a dummy. But hold on, y'all. And see, when I put it on yellow, bro, that mother don't stay yellow. Like, look, this one yellow, this one red. See what I'm saying? And then that gonna look crazy if I had both on, cause I'm gonna put the other one around the trim right here. You know what I'm saying? Around the trim right there. But I was like, dang, if I do that, they're gonna be two different colors. And that gonna look retarded. Let's see how it's flickering. I don't know why I do that. It's like only this one though. I don't know if it's something, a malfunction with this one. Or what? Cause see now it's like trying to be orange, but it want to be yellow. Like that's just crazy. But it worked with other colors like blue cool. And see, this the blue I was trying to get to. And see, now it's acting crazy. I don't know why. But that one real like got a defect, bro. So I probably am. I didn't feel like it, but I probably am gonna change it. Probably gonna do it tonight. You know what I'm saying? And change the other one, cause the other one don't flick or nothing. The other one like perfect, but this one is the problem. You know what I'm saying? The one I'm having a problem with. But now it's acting real crazy. Cause they ain't never used to do all that. But then the thing do got a sound thing to it too, like it go off the sound and stuff. So I don't know if I made a mistake and press that button. That might be what it was. I don't know. But I just wanted to show y'all that, man. I don't know why they mother acting so jive, bro. They acting jive, man. Jive. They be acting so jive. I think it may be I don't know, maybe the wires or something. I don't know, man. But man, it's something to look at. You feel me? It's something to look at. I ain't mean to make a video like that. I want to show y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all, boy, what I got going. I should have started at that gas station. I probably will. I might turn around. Turn around at the gas station, man. Turn around. Go to that gas station right quick. Get y'all new viewers. Dang, somebody would be coming. You came out of nowhere. Like, I'm gonna do the right thing. I was gonna do a U-turn, but I didn't know who it was, so I would do the right thing, bro. I'm gonna do the right thing. Dang. Folk always wanna get in your way at the craziest time. Like, ooh, bit. Man. But yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all all my new viewers that's watching, you know what I'm saying? Anybody new that's watching right now, man, show y'all, boy. Olivia, you know what I'm saying? Show what she look like on the outside. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know what y'all think about the lights, though, for real. Like, comment down below, man. Is it a vibe? I think it's a vibe, bro. It's a vibe to me. Besides it acting up and not doing the colors I wanted to do, which I done made my mind up, I'm going to just change. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to change it, use the other one. Because it come with two. The other one ain't hard-headed like this one. So we're gonna change that. I'll probably do that tonight, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're gonna see what it's talking about. But yeah, let me show y'all there right quick. But y'all let me know what y'all think though, man. It look good though, you know what I'm saying? Pretty bright. That one right there is bright, I ain't gonna cap. But y'all see, man, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, man. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all like that though. But let me show y'all the outside of the wheel, man. Let me change it. Let me change the color back to something. I guess I go back to purple. I rock with the purple, because purple the only thing that don't act a fool. See, when you put it on blue, like certain colors, bro, just don't, I don't know. See, that's the blue I was trying to get it to go on. It's like a light blue like that. But I don't know why it's like that, bro. Like, that one just hard-headed. On the rest of these colors, that one not working. Let me see what the different modes, let me see. I'm trying to see, it got a mode. I know like it changed. What a mode is it where it changed colors and stuff? Oh, now I don't want to do it. You know what I'm saying, man? It's always something, bro. Okay, I don't know. I don't like that, though. All that flicking. All that flicking ain't gonna cut it. What a little smooth. It had one of it was like a little smooth mode, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Car gear. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know. I don't have the slightest idea. Look at the SCATPACK. Yeah, man, let me just show y'all the wood, man. This is a short little video though, you know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing too crazy. I just wanted to really show y'all, really like a mod video, but I just want to show y'all at nighttime. It's the only way y'all can see it. But, you know what I'm saying, for all my new supporters, man, or new people watching that's not a supporter yet, carbon fiber stripes, you feel me, with the hints of yellow, you know what I'm saying? White lights on the side. I know y'all seen it in the intro, but it's always good to see that mother, you know what I'm saying, live in the flesh. You know what I'm saying, Wicker Bill. Some slight. It might be the thumbnail. I said I was gonna get out, but it might be the thumbnail still, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I do. Y'all gonna see it in the title. But yeah, man. I just want to show y'all my whip. You know what I'm saying? I just want to show y'all I added a new little addition. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think again. You feel what y'all think of that, man? Let me know if y'all like that or not. You know what I'm saying? But that'll pretty much probably be a wrap, man. Something slight. Y'all boys just bear with me. I'm finna have these bangers coming. Like I said, I just had some stuff going on. Had to get situated, get stuff right, man. So y'all boys just stay tuned, man. On the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Also, man, like I say, and all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit. And you can touch it, Cari crew. And comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see, man. Any kind of POV, whether it's cutting up, not cutting up, some cool vibes. Whatever the case may be, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all car shows, stuff like that too, but POV-wise, man, what y'all boy want to see, man? What y'all boy want to see? You feel me? But, yeah, I ain't really got too much else to say. Like I also say, man, and all the end of my videos, for all my religious folks, you gotta, I was about to say my outro again. I was literally about to say my outro again. But all my religious folk, man, you know what I'm saying? Keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up the best way you can, you feel me? Y'all boys just stay down, bro, and keep that faith in anything that you do, bro. Keep working hard, don't quit, stay consistent. You know what I'm saying? Stay consistent. But also, man, like I said in the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.